me fidgets? Oh my. Okay. Time to close me yet? Oh yeah. Forgot. So I rate this a 10 out of 10. The PBJ I got. Why does it come from the bottom? Don't tell me. I don't wanna know. Next. I'm trying to get a good one. A really good one. Okay, I'm gonna pick 3. So 1. I don't know if you saw it. Do you see it? And 2. Do you see it? And 3. Oh my! Oh wait! Oh wait! I know this is a dream right now. No, it's. Oh my God! Look what I just got. What? I did not order this. This, do you know? In Amazon, this is $80, $50, no, $100. I just got this for free. I always wanted this. So let me just. Oh my God, it's already cool the minute I tried it. Okay, hold on, wait. Just keep flipping it. We got this side. 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 This side. This side. It's 1,000 out of 10. Oops. How did I land it? This is one ugly frog. Oh. Just kidding. That's cute. Okay, let me pop it. My friends say it's ugly. Wait a minute. Yeah, my friends. Wait a minute. I used to do. Oh yeah. Amy took this when I was little. She took it. And then, now I finally got it back. When I had it, people keep saying it's ugly. And then Amy stole it because she was jealous. We got the spider squishy. Okay, why does it squish? This is a bat. Why am I spider squishy really? This is a bat. A bat. 8 out of 10. And that frog one do be a 10 out of 10, no offense. 5 more. We're gonna pick 5. Monkey noodle? Oh wait, let me guess the color. Yellow? Let me guess this color. I'm not looking. Pink? Yellow? So this is, can you see it? Yellow, pink, rainbow? Oh, I'm not gonna know what color this is. Yellow? Wait, how did I got this right? I said this was rainbow, and I said this was yellow, and I said this was pink, and this is yellow. Oh my God, let's try the pop tube. 10 out of 10. You know it's a 10 out of 10. Monkey doodle. 8 out of 10. Pretty long. Ooh, it's about to whip me. Hey, yo. What you mean by whip? Hey, yo, that's my swip. Don't touch my drip. That's my swip. We got the yellow spiky ball. What am I doing in my life? Okay. And this blocks things. We're like, bro, am I the next Kobe Bryant or what? Okay. A pen. A fidget pen. How does it feel broken? I don't even know what this is. This is what is it called? Puzzle ball. I don't like ball. Hey, yo. Nah. Hold up. This kind of feels like a poop emoji. I don't think it. Wait, no. Illumination. yellow ice cream. Snapper? Yeah. I already know what this is. You can't fool me. A taco. Bone squishy. I'm gonna pick a lot more. Oh, this is hard. Pink pop tube. Okay, so fit. Oh, wait, I said pink, and I knew this one. What is this? You just do this. 1 out of 10. I got this right. Pretty fine, but broken, but not bad. And I see you from back. And I see you from back. Then it's not my fault. It's not my. Why did I just land that backwards in the thing? I'm the next Kobe Bryant, my guy. We got a snapper. How did I guess it was ice cream and it was like kind of tealish blue and yellow? How? I mean, okay, that snapper's a 10 out of 10. That pen's a 10 out of 10, and this is a 4 out of 10. I mean, it's kind of fun, no joke, but no care. Couple, huh? Your dad went cold. Oh my god. You know my dad left. Hey, yo, what the? What is he looking at? Wait. What is he? Hey, yo. My ears. Oh, left. My dad left. You know why? To get the milk, and he never came back. Like my dad did came back. At least I have a dad. And at least I have milk. And I got it right. Taco Bell. Why does it have a heart? I hope my crush loves me. Hey, yo, don't watch this video, crush. The last few, what you mean by this? What am I doing? You know what, I'm not even scared of, like shy or whatever it's called. You guys are my subscribers and fans. Literally fans. To keep me warm. No, wait, what? Ew, what? Okay, you know, I don't care if I'm cringy right now. I'm just hyper. This monkey noodles has to be a 2 out of 10 because like it's short. 8. My favorite color though, and not really fun. ASMR pad. I would call it an ASMR pad. A 10 out of 10. A 0 out of 10. Because I don't know. Yes, I turned a bulb. Button. And then you got the regular dimple. Wait, it's not real. And I'm gonna do the stars. Maybe I'll do 9 stars. 9 stars. There was a pineapple that I asked for with at least Orbeez inside. There was no Orbeez. And I got a broken pineapple squishy. But the whole entire stuff was really fun. I captured on video what your stuff had. Like, really good. Thank you for sending me this, Amy. Me and Amy, we've been best friends for 9 years. That was since I was 1 year old. That actually, this video is 9 minutes. I'm 9 years old. I was born 9 years ago, and my birthday's every 9 months. So basically everything's a 9. But not a 10. Oh! Okay, I'm not savage. Bye guys. Now it's been 10 minutes. Okay, bye. Please subscribe and finish the heart. Comment, like, and share to I dare you to share 10 or 20 people. And comment if you can, if the comments turn on. And let me see what this. And yeah, bye. And happy early Christmas. Christmas Eve is in 2 days. Christmas in 3. So bye bye.